forgot, but alright, me get it. I'm gonna guess she come at Jamaica at 2 o'clock. Even she come at Jamaica at 2 o'clock and to the time when they report him missing and all these kind of things, she have all in time there for the week before she even got to the hospital then. When she could have gone to the hospital and see her little boy and see him hurt bad, get so vexed, left the hospital and go do what she do and then go back to the hospital. She still have time to do what she do. Even if you put she come 2 o'clock.
Right, because you see, if you look, you can go. Remember, no, she can come into the country. The KFC only showed that she was in KFC.
Clear up 2 o'clock one, I just say before you skip. Clear up, say it can happen even if she come 2 o'clock and to the time span when they report him, she have time where still could have got hurt him. Take the key, go clear up.
All right, Speedy. Okay, Speedy, listen to this now. The time frame with that. If she comes in the country after 2 and you say check out time, she gonna have a little bit longer thing because she not come with no luggage. So they have to clear her. So give her about 40 minutes at the airport. So she said she come outside at 2:40.
What 40 minutes? When last you travel? Me I travel already and me run as the plane stop. Wait now as the plane stop, me grab my thing and run.
Exactly, Speedy. You had a luggage.
So quick,
Speedy.
So much people.
Speedy, have you ever traveled without no luggage? I have.
Even quicker.
No. They question you, Speedy. They question you to find out.
Man, I just travel. Let me tell you something when we know this girl could reach Jamaica. I just travel from England on American Airways and I miss my flight. And I learned that American Airways always have loads of people on standby. So you can buy American Airways like a taxi. You can buy a ticket and go by the airport because they're not going to send a plane in Jamaica with 2 empty seats. That's how they work. So they always you can always get an American airline within 2 hours or 3 hours and stand by. And I miss my flight and I have to go up and stand by in London, wait for grab one, go to Miami, do the same thing like a taxi service, and when I do reach to Jamaica, it was about 12 o'clock in the night.
Yeah, Speedy, I agree with you. I am not. Speedy, I am not disagreeing with you. What I'm saying, you see, when you're traveling without luggage, remember, this is something that I have personally done already. You see, when you travel, when you're traveling without luggage, they kind of like drill you to try to figure out if it's something you're running away from.
No, not necessary. Not necessary. No, not
and everybody to solve this case here, you have to lock. The police have to arrest Mr. T. You see, if the police arrest Mr. T, Shanice is not his daughter. Him going to leak everything and protect his them all. Remember, just arrest Mr. T and everything come out.
Battle, what's up? Y'all good?
Okay, well, I mean, maybe not everybody have the same experience because you guys are saying different.
Still want to clear with 2 o'clock thing,
No, I was just explaining what I said about the time. I give a little bit more. Okay, Speedy, hold on. I give a little bit more time for people traveling without luggage. Without luggage, you're a suspicious traveler.
Right. What time you say she take to come out of the airport then? Me could work out this time and I'm sure she still have a time. What time she come out the airport then? How long time you want, yeah?
So give her a 40 minutes. Alright, okay. Give her 40 minutes. So say 2:40 you left Montego Bay, right? Mm-hmm. Depending on traffic, you can be between
and
3
she correspond with Demar and Demar already go and pick up the little boy while she on her way coming now.
Well, I can't say that part because I don't know about that part. I don't know about the correspondence.
I say what your team happen with the 40 minutes.
No. I am giving, based on my travel, I go to Mandeville a lot from Montego Bay Airport, so I can give you a time frame from that. I can tell you who she was messaging from, who she wasn't, because she never said that in her videos or in none of the videos. So that I don't want to show
it. She said in the video that it take her 40 minutes to come out, as what you just said. It maybe take her.
Did you just not listen to me? I'm saying I'm giving time frame based on prior experience of me coming to Jamaica because I've left here, head to Jamaica, Montego Bay Airport, head to Manchester without a baggage except my handbag. So I'm giving my time frame. People have different. If you want me to reduce the 40 minutes to 20 minutes, because understand I can't go there without no luggage and have nobody pulling up and question, why you're not traveling without a luggage. Well, say give him say 20 minutes to clear the airport then. Say since that you don't want me to say. All right, 20 minutes to clear the airport. It is 3 to 4 hour drive based on what's going on Long Hill. If anybody wanna
what? 3 to 4 hour drive, which part of Jamaica? Where drive around Jamaica?
From Montego Bay to Manchester, depending on what's going on Long Hill.
Jamaica have highway now, You think like one time when
you still have to go over Long Hill.
Yeah, it's about 3 hours. It's true.
You still have to go over Long Hill, Speedy. You still have to go over Long Hill.
Alright,
Okay.
even 3 hours. Even 3 hours. 2 and 3 is how much?
Okay, so she did it at
No,
say
2 and 3 is how much? Even 3
give her
hours, 2 and
5
3 is
say,
how much?
okay, so she did it 5:20.
Yeah.
With no stop, with absolutely no obstruction. There have to be a day where there's no obstruction on the road.
Let's go look at the new car.
You get somebody 3 hours. If you get somebody 3 hours for reach a man level, that put in all the traffic and everything.
No.
If I'm going to say you're not going to have nothing and giving you an hour and a half, what you saying?
No, Speedy.
Let me hear what Charles I said, guys, please.
1.6.
Okay, hi, good afternoon. So, Shanice don't live in Atlanta. She used to live in Atlanta. And this is facts by Google and this other website that I use. She lives in South Carolina. And from South Carolina, there is no straight flight. And I know this for a fact because I have family that live in South Carolina. You have to take a connect flight either from South Carolina to Florida or to Atlanta. A lot of people from South Carolina, they normally come to Fort Lauderdale
doing that
when they go into Jamaica because those are mainly their flights.
Shit, I don't care about him being
Atlanta. That's why I did chosen. That's the reason why I tried if she's taking connecting flights, right? And I did not try Kingston because it was said that she went into Montego Bay and there was no flight that would have gotten her to Montego Bay, whether it is from New York, South Carolina, North Carolina, Atlanta, or Florida before 9 a.m.
There's a flight though for Kingston.
There was a flyer to Kingston from that was a connect flight.
A connecting flight.
And that was from Fort Lauderdale to Kingston.
And that line 2:39 a.m.
Right, and there was one in the morning also. If we want to give her the benefit of the doubt, say she reached in the morning, like Mr. T said, she get the key at 9:30, whatever.
Right.
That flight on JetBlue always arrive in Kingston like around 8 to.
I'm gonna see if I can do that and grab.
Between
I'm gonna do
8.
One of those packs.
I want to say like 8, around 8:30, somewhere around there, 8:20, 8:15.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's a little bit earlier.
And it doesn't take 30 minutes from Kingston to Manchester.
It's like an hour and change.
The fastest you can use with the highway, and y'all can crucify me. The last time I took the highway was 2024. The highway from Kingston to Manchester.
It's more than an hour. More than an hour.
Okay.
It was like an hour and something. Like this was people travel from.
But Mr. T said don't quote him on time too. So
yes,
it could be not 9 o'clock.
In Kingston,
could be like 10.
and reach the roundabout to take it to Mandeville in 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Okay.
And you know, say Kingston Airport, you can have no luggage.
Okay.
You're not staying long with JetBlue. JetBlue, you're coming in and out. It's like a 2-second in and out when you don't have the luggage from JetBlue.
So guys, remember when she said no luggage, she don't even have a carry-on, So I'm saying I have traveled without no carry-on and no luggage, only my purse. And I know that it's a little bit longer because they question you to figure how are you just taking up your bag and leaving with a handbag. So that's why I give her extra time. So
But she have a reason. She have an emergency, so them not gonna question her that much. It's
you
an
have
emergency.
listen, Shonda. They're gonna question you. They're gonna have more than one people question you.
Where when you reach a Kingston? When you go Kingston, nobody no question you like that at Kingston. Where you say to
Every
me?
2 months in Jamaica, get no question.
Nobody no question
Can't you
you.
tell them why she's there? Her child is in the hospital.
Exactly. Them not a question beyond that. Is that is an emergency? What you mean? What can I got a question? Them gonna question you beyond that. Them even not gonna help you rush out of that.
I guess everybody is different because I travel with no luggage and no question asked.
Exactly.
In your own country, what kind of question she
Kish,
talking
they
about?
don't understand. Kish, they don't understand.
Nothing to declare. What am I gonna question? She has nothing to declare. What kind of question? She's not going into an international country. She a return.
Shonda, regardless what you tell them, they're gonna drill you.
They're not. Don't say that.
They're
They're
not
not going to drill you. Girl, you tell me say you have an emergency, your baby in the hospital. Them are gonna drill you upon that. When you can even show the messages between your mother and everything, them are gonna drill you upon that. And you have an
I
emergency.
travel without luggage.
Even without.
Go to Kingston.
But
They
you
never
don't have
ask
an
me no-
emergency.
and I
That
didn't
is
have
a
no
difference.
emergency.
Did you have an emergency? That is a difference. The emergency. That is
Urgency
the
and to
difference.
have proof. That's the difference.
Exactly, that is the difference. They're not going to rush you. Doesn't that explain itself why you're traveling without all of them stuff there, girl? Make your son baby drop me, just book the next flight. Never have time for pack. Not me just try come for the next flight, but pick up my baby and bring him go back to America for say assisted. Them now look at all of them something there. Them now going to question her.
Shonda, you see where she says she have a ticket to go and to come back? That's a red flag in the airport. Even though
That's not no red flag. Even if a red flag,
But travel nurse as well.
Slack and walk.
she's not going for nursing, Kim. She's not going for nursing.
But either way, she gives them important emergency issues. They're not gonna hold her long.
What am I gonna hold her for now? Listen to me.
Once they don't
American
flog her, they
baby
will
in the
never
country.
hold her.
A
Once they
US
don't
citizen
flog her,
baby.
they're not gonna hold her.
Exactly.
That is a flag. That is a flag for her. That is a
with
flag.
Who are a flagger?
Why?
Who's gonna
Why
flag
is a
her?
flag for her?
Hold on, who are a flagger?
And for what?
Because
Yeah, she come in their own
Who is
country.
gonna flag her?
Yeah.
Who are a flagger?
listen,
Yeah, for what?
No, I'm just
Okay,
asking,
you want me
who
to
is
tell you why
gonna
the
flag
flag?
her first?
the airport is gonna
Which
flag
of the
her.
airport is going to
I'm not
flag
gonna
her?
Airport, at the
Both
airline.
airport.
Why America would not flag Holland?
Everybody experience this.
Hold on, wait now. Why America would flag her when she's leaving the country and I go to her own country? Why would America only flag you when you're coming back to them country, not when you're leaving? America is not going to flag her for leaving the country. She's
No,
returning
because she's
home.
going back to her country, so they would never flag her.
They would not flag her
Listen.
for going back to Jamaica.
Shonda, do you know that? No, in America, they're gonna put the flag on you when you reach a Montego Bay or Kingston.
They
That's when
flag
they're
you.
gonna
Hold
question
on.
you.
America flag you when you are returning to America.
Everybody have different experience.
No,
I
they
don't
flag
know.
you when you are coming back to America. America cannot flag you for going to another country. If there's a flag on you, you would not board that flight to go to Jamaica. So them not gonna flag her if you go Jamaica. They may flag her when she come back.
I think you're misunderstanding me, Shonda.
Where
When I
If
say
you go only for time, they will stop you if you go
when
too
I say
often.
when I say that the flag, I mean so them are gonna take you off of the plane in America. They're gonna
goes to
put
Madden.
that there's a red flag at your name. But
For
they're
what?
not gonna
Custom
see
they
that.
This is what I'm
you.
asking
So
you.
when
you
you
travel
reach
so
down
much.
to Montego Bay or Kingston, wherever you're going, they're gonna send you into a room.
No.
You know
No,
why?
cute girl, that is not how
that's
it
not how that
goes.
No, it's the other way
That's not how
around.
that
Me
works,
travel
sweetie.
already and them flag me. I go to
You have it
Jamaica.
reversed.
Good.
And it
Me
must be
travel
a
with
reason
flag.
why they
Listen
flag
to
you
me now.
too.
Guess when I go to Jamaica because I'm returning to Jamaica, them not give a frig. You couldn't go to Jamaica and never come back. They don't care. That is between you and Jamaica. Now, when me I come back to America, now they flag me.
That's why they.
and then
That's
put
when
me
they
in a room
interrogate you.
at
Yes.
Jamaica because I am trying to come back, gain entry into America. No, that's how America flag you when you try to come back in them country. Not when you leaving.
No, it's not when you're leaving. It's when you're coming
They don't
back.
flag
That's
you
true.
when you
When you
leaving. You
coming
could have.
back.
That is because guess what? You leave them country. Them no business.
Shonda, you don't
Exactly.
understand. if she's a citizen of America, Shonda, it doesn't matter. Say Jamaica is the country of the girl.
Honey, cute girl. I have family member that work with immigration. That's not how that red flag crap works.
And that's what I'm trying to tell her. All right, let me break it down to you. Let me break it down to you.
When they have
if they have a flag on travel, if they have a flag on her cute girl, she wouldn't be able to leave America.
Shaniel, tell them please. Shaniel, please tell them because they've never been in the situation before. Tell them.
Yeah, Jamaican can flag her and stop her. If she have travel on American passport, yeah, take any.
But that is Jamaica going to flag her, not America. If America flag her, she wouldn't be able to board that plane.
No, Jamaica will flag her, not America. American response, Jamaica.
That's what I'm telling you. America not gonna flag her.
You know what? No, I think we do have a wally path for the flagging. No disrespect, I could go back on a Jayden line because
yeah.
we reach all the way down to one different place, flagging and hummingbird and all. But I think we spend enough time on the flagging. I could go back to a beat. I see problem. Let me tell you what the problem is. What me think the problem is. Everybody have aware of Jayden missing, and the thing is this: one person cannot express all them feels that Jayden missing, and the next person say, okay, fair enough, I express their one. Everybody what is the right. Everybody is a scholar. As I said, me have my you notice I'm stay away from the conversation because me have my opinion. I mean not my opinion, me touch the Bible and believe in my own. So everybody have a different opinion. Every single body have a different opinion, and I feel like the best way for angle this conversation is okay.
That boy
John Brown explain for them opinion how them people say Jayden go missing. You can't agree with it. I say you not agree with it, right? Because right now, me I tell her explain up my one already, and you can go over YouTube and you see me genuinely feel such a come 2:30. Because you know what happened? The whole little bits and pieces. So that because bits out of one, the bits out of one, yes, you get that whole thing. And I've been asking over the last 3 weeks about the key situation. But and I said people are entitled to change their mind because at the end of the day we are all assuming, and if I assume say rain a fall outside and I said, you know guys, I feel say rain a fall outside, you know, right? Because me in one place where we can't hear out a door, we can't see out a door. And when me go down in the passageway, me see one cold breeze are coming to the passageway. I am entitled to it's a rain probably fall outside. So when I said the time, say, oh, me know nobody tell me say the woman forgot that. You know why I said that? When I say me know nobody tell me say the woman forgot that. Because me never the other story. So every time you hear something else that makes sense, you have to adjust your mindset, adjust your thought process, or you stay with the one where you have.
Jeez.
And I keep doing that because at the very first time, so if you want me to say cool, I ain't got an issue with that. Because I used to think Mr. T came up from the town. Until Price come over here and tell me say somebody seen, the mother tell me say there's a camera from the barber shop, and then the auntie says somebody seen 5 o'clock. So I put the children together and say, you know what? Probably Mr. T never pick him up after all. And you see the problem with women not understand. The defendant them feel say Shanice is Mary Magdalene. She can't tell lies, she can't do nothing wrong. But me tell you, trust me, you're gonna feel shame to see who actually do what them do to Jayden. Me believe so. Me believe so for everything in my life and in my body and in my soul. You're not gonna shame. Because you see that girl there, she are the demon child. She are the demon child. Right now, me say, me tell you now, you see if next week come, and make me give up. This has 151 people. I promise you no. Anyhow, next week come and the police then find and the main suspect and they lock up somebody and they don't lock up Shanice and Kamisha and our baby father come off of the internet permanently. Permanently. I'm a matter of fact, I even deactivate the account. I just delete it off of my phone. And I can't wear Bible. I have a Bible lesson today. But what am I do with my Bible? I put my hand on the Bible and swear to that. I say, see that? See that? Look. Anyhow, the police have come up with something and then they'll come up with Shanice, Kamisha, and Kamisha, baby father, man, husband, whatever. So them have the most part for playing a Jayden. We come off of the internet. Come right off of the internet. So we can say bye-bye. Bye-bye! No, I promise you that. I promise you that everything we ever won in my life. Let me tell you something, man. You see right now, everybody been saying it. Everybody been saying it from day one. I was the first person to ask for Mr. T Ed because I never believe him. And I sit down and I play over all of the interview them for the last 3 months. That's what I've been doing. You see how fast me can find them on the thing around me? You see how fast me can find them? I have them lacking on my brain cell. Some of them, me study them like I go do driving tests. I mean I study if I go pass my driving test. I saw me study some of them. Me study them like me I do life in the UK test. Me can repeat them from back to front. Some of them interview. Come on. And when I sift through everything, I'm going to keep telling you, so if you not look for a smoking gun, nah, go find it. Anyone who look for one smoking gun, you will never find it. You don't have to pick peace from here, so, peace from there, so, peace from there, so, and go back around the car and go pick up a little piece, and then you put them together. And you sort the puzzle out.
All these swag? Yeah, that was terrible. That's tookie. That's doogie.
T, you know what I'm saying?
Well, we ran the first.
We argued about 3 women at first. I will say, yes, man, she come down and analyze little boy. And I said, no, there is no way she's going to come from America and do that. It's when me see Mr. T interview, me take back my word and start thinking kind of different, you know. Mr. T interview.
Let me tell you something. From the very day, I have never put her in the spot. All I used to think, because there's nothing in my body tell me say it's a plan, a plan execution, June strike. There's nothing in my body tell me that. Nothing in my body tell me that. So I never place her there. I said she know, and she run back to America. Because she didn't want anything when the shit hit the fan. She didn't want to be in Jamaica. But I say as gradually go on and bits and pieces, you start to wheel up and come again. And yes, I wasn't there, I didn't see it. So I am flipping and flapping like a dolphin in the water. I am flipping and flapping and flipping and flapping and flipping and flapping. But right